Hi, I am your friend Avinash, and today's video topic is Introduction to String. String is similar to that of the array. Array stores only similar type of data, whereas string is used to store uh, multiple types of data into the one unit. Java string definition of string. Java strings are objects that allows us to store sequence of character which may contain alphanumeric values enclosed in double quotes. Example is email ID. Email ID contain alphabets as well as numbers as well as special characters. Okay. Now the note points are: strings are immutable in Java. Immutable means if it can't we can't change into the string if we have created object of that string, and it contains methods that perform certain operations on strings. Example: concat equals length method. There are two ways to create string object. First one is using string literal, and second one is using new keyword. Using new keyword. Example of string literal is string s1 is equal to within double quote Avinash semicolon. Now we see how we make string immutable. Why we made string as immutable. Let's consider one object of string s1 is equal to Avinash. It is this the string which string object which is created with the help of string literal is stored into the string constant pool, whereas the string object which is created with the help of new keyword is stored into the heap memory. If using string literal, let's take example. String s1 string s1 is equal to Avinash. That means string s1 refers to the object Avinash, whereas string s2 also refers to the same object Avinash. Then in that case, if we make any changes into the string s2, its impact, though, because of if we make any changes into the string s2, it will impact on the string s1 also, because both strings are referring to the same object. Let's take another example. If string str is equal to Java, now if you pass the same string to the another string, same string object to the another string, such example string str1 is equal to str. Then if we make changes into the string s1 str s1, then it will show changes into the string str. So we have made string as immutable. Now the second case is using new keyword. The object created string object created using new keyword is the get memory into the heap memory instead of string constant pool. And if we let's take example, string a is equal to new string within parenthesis Avinash, and string a is equal to string B is equal to Avinash. Both strings are both objects are pointed to the single object. So if we make changes into the string created using string literal, then it will impact on string object created using new keyword. So we have we use string class as the user string class is the final class, so we can't change into the string object. Now the example of string is the final class, and the final class means if we have created any object in it, we can't change in it. This is how we make string immutable. Java string class provides some commonly used pre-written methods to perform operations on string, such as concat, charAt, toChar array, equals, to lowercase, to uppercase, trim, and many more. Trim is used to remove blank spaces present at start and end of the string. toChar array is used to convert string into the character array. Concat method is used to join the two strings, whereas charAt method is used to get the character of particular index. Thank you. That's all about introduction of string.